Today I'd like to talk about one very promising project. Not the project as whole, but mostly about its staking system that has been recently launched on Bakeryswap. It's time for big gains. The project has been quite successful so far and it's about to get even bigger. So let me tell you what that project is and how you can make 718% profit by staking it.
So, not to keep it long, here is the well-known Bakery token project. I went to the main page of Bakeryswap platform. A link to it is right in the description and in the attached comment. This is an exchange and also a decentralized trading platform, so there's an opportunity to participate in the staking of top projects. Now, go to the Earning tab. The next step is to connect our MetaMask or Trust wallet. This can be easily done by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Then we click Next, then Connect. After connecting your wallet to the system, we need to open a staking page. There we can see what coins Bakeryswap offers for our staking. But I am first of all interested in the offer of Bake staking because this offer is the most profitable. We can earn up to 718% a year. That's an incredibly profitable rate. Surely the platform gives such a percentage on staking in order to get its piece of fame. What can I say? They succeeded. I mean, at least every other crypto investor is already aware of this offer. I personally know people who have already staked over $100,000. And just so you understand, by staking $100,000, an investor gets $2,000 a day. Not a bad choice of a passive income, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to keep the video short, so let's have a quick look at what we need to do to start earning a passive income. I sent in my MetaMask Bake in advance. I'm going to stake 3,900 Bake. This will allow me to make over $18 a day passively. What we do next is click on the Stake button, then on the plus sign, enter the required value and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Now we have to wait for our transaction to go through, and right after that, our tokens that we have staked will appear on our balance. Great, the transaction has received the required number of confirmations, and we can see the amount of coins we have sent to stake. I forgot to tell you that you can undo the staking of the tokens at any time. This is an additional advantage of this platform. If you click on the button Unstake, we'll be able to unstake our tokens almost instantly and receive them in our MetaMask wallet. So friends, our tokens are staked, but to show you all the way through, let's take 24 hours to check how many tokens we managed to earn. Hello to everyone. It's been 24 hours for me and a couple of seconds for you. You can see that in 24 hours, I have gained just 77 Bake. You couldn't be happier. It's such a great passive income, and most importantly, it is guaranteed. As long as this offer from Bakeryswap is active, I will send my free crypto assets here to staking.
So that's it. Now you know how to take part in this exclusive staking event held on Bakeryswap. I hope you watch the video till the end and won't pass up on a chance to rake in 718% in passive income. You can find the link below this video. Go to the platform right now and stake your tokens. That's all for now. Thank you for staying with us. I wish you great profits. Invest, but do it wisely.